Okay, this is Tom. This is Huck. And Tom will show you how he will do the bench press. Let's go. So you see his feet are on the ground and has a stand like his shoulders. He touches the bar when he comes down with 90-degree angle. Huck, Huck, don't touch, yes. And breathe out, breathe out. Doing very great. And come on. Doing more. Huck, take care. Okay, Huck will help only when he's on his last. Okay. Thank you so much. And enjoy our channel. Watch Tom, how he will be developed in the next month. And this is Huck too. Okay, bye-bye.